Ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that loves to camp out on your teeth. Picture your teeth as a cozy neighborhood for bacteria. They love to settle down, forming a sticky film called plaque. Yet, plaque can be stubborn, transforming into a harder substance known as tartar. Think of tartar as the impenetrable fortress that only a dental professional can storm. The good news is that you can bolster your defenses with some home-based strategies. In this video, we'll explore various methods that make plaque and tartar tremble. So stay tuned as we embark on this informative adventure, unveiling the secrets to a plaque and tartar-free smile that not only looks great but keeps your oral health in tip-top shape. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's jump in and talk about the 9 ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup. 1. Orange peels. Orange peels aren't just meant for the compost bin. They hold a powerful, natural remedy for oral hygiene that's both effective and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Rubbing the orange peels to combat plaque and tartar is a breeze. All you need to do is carefully scrape off the white pith from the inside of the orange peel, leaving behind the fragrant orange zest. Then, rub this zest gently against your teeth and gums for a few minutes. Not only does this method help in plaque removal, but it also leaves your mouth feeling refreshed with a hint of citrusy aroma. It's a win-win. But remember, orange peels are not a substitute for your regular dental care routine. Continue to brush and floss regularly, and don't skip those important dental checkups. Orange peels are just an additional tool in your arsenal to maintain a healthy smile. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes also have natural acidity that can help break down plaque and tartar. The acidity in tomatoes can weaken plaque, making it easier to brush away. Firstly, tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in strengthening your teeth and gums. Vitamin C in particular helps boost collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of your gums and preventing them from receding. Furthermore, tomatoes are a rich source of antioxidants, such as lycopene. Antioxidants help combat the harmful effects of free radicals in your mouth, reducing inflammation and protecting your gums from damage. Inflammation is a leading cause of gum disease, so keeping it in check is vital for oral health. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is easy. You can enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, or as a delicious tomato sauce for your favorite dishes. Just be mindful of added sugars and acidic ingredients in tomato-based products, like ketchup, as these can counteract some of the oral health benefits. 3. Baking soda and salt. When you combine these two household heroes, you create a paste that can work wonders for your smile. This paste helps to break down and dissolve the stubborn plaque that clings to your teeth, making it easier to remove during your regular brushing routine. Moreover, the alkaline nature of baking soda helps to balance the acidic environment in your mouth, reducing the growth of harmful bacteria. Salt, on the other hand, not only fights off those bacteria, but also helps soothe your gums and reduce inflammation. Using baking soda and salt as part of your oral healthcare routine is not only effective, but also cost-effective. You don't need to invest in expensive dental products or treatments to keep your teeth clean and healthy. However, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Using this DIY paste 4 to 5 times a month is sufficient. Overuse can potentially damage your tooth enamel, so be gentle with your application. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next remedy, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 4. Lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice is a superhero when it comes to battling plaque. It has antimicrobial properties that can kill bacteria lurking in your mouth. Plus, it stimulates saliva production, which acts as a natural cleanser, washing away debris and bacteria. But here's the catch. Lemon juice is acidic, and excessive acidity can erode tooth enamel. To strike a balance, mix lemon juice with water. This dilution not only makes it safer for your enamel, but also ensures you can use it regularly without any adverse effects. To put lemon juice to work against plaque and tartar, simply swish a mixture of lemon juice and water in your mouth for a minute or two. Then, Rinse with plain water to remove any remaining acidity. Incorporate this routine into your oral hygiene regimen. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, often hailed as a versatile superfood, is a potent ally in the battle against plaque and tartar. First and foremost, coconut oil contains lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial agent. When you swish coconut oil in your mouth, a process known as oil pulling the lauric acid gets to work targeting harmful bacteria. This not only helps prevent plaque formation, but also tackles existing plaque, gradually breaking it down. But the benefits of coconut oil don't stop there. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated gums. Gingivitis, a common gum disease, often accompanies plaque and tartar buildup, making coconut oil an excellent choice for overall oral health. Using coconut oil to combat plaque and tartar is as easy as it is effective. Just take a spoonful of organic, cold-pressed coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. You can do this while showering, watching TV, or getting ready for the day. Consistency is key here. With regular use, you'll notice not only cleaner teeth but also fresher breath and healthier gums. Plus, coconut oil is a natural alternative to chemical-laden mouthwashes, making it an eco-friendly choice. Remember though, coconut oil is not a substitute for regular dental checkups and brushing. It's a complementary practice to enhance your oral hygiene routine, so keep brushing and flossing as recommended by your dentist. 6. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and their oral health benefits are no secret. They contain natural compounds that work wonders for your teeth. First, get yourself some raw sesame seeds. You can find them at your local grocery store or health food shop. Make sure they're unprocessed and natural. Now, here's the fun part. Chew on a handful of sesame seeds for a few minutes, but don't swallow them. Let them work their magic on your teeth. As you chew, the seeds will act as tiny scrub brushes, scraping away plaque and tartar from the surface of your teeth. It's like a natural toothbrush right in your mouth. After a few minutes of chewing, spit out the sesame seeds. You'll notice that they've turned a bit creamy. That's a sign they've done their job. Next, take a dry toothbrush and gently brush your teeth as you normally would. This will help remove any remaining sesame seed residue and leave your teeth feeling clean and fresh. In conclusion, tackling plaque and tartar buildup is easier than you might think. By maintaining a consistent oral hygiene routine, you can keep your smile bright and your teeth healthy. Start with regular brushing, at least twice a day, and don't forget to reach all those nooks and crannies. Additionally, flossing daily is crucial for removing stubborn plaque between your teeth and along the gum line. Make it a habit. Mouthwash is your friend too, as it helps kill bacteria and freshens your breath. Opt for an antimicrobial rinse for maximum benefit. Professional dental cleaning should also be part of your plan, with visits at least twice a year. Your dentist can catch and remove tartar that's hard to tackle at home. Finally, maintain a balanced diet, limiting sugar and acidic foods and drinks. These steps, combined with your regular dental checkup, will keep your smile plaque and tartar free, ensuring a healthy and confident you. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.